This is part 2 of a sneak peek demo we recently released, where we show you how you can sell your genomics data as an NFT on the Itheum platform. So if you haven't checked out this video on YouTube, I'll attach the link up here, just go and check it out. But let's just jump into part 2 of this demo. So what we're going to show you here is we're going to upload a sample data set. Specifically, this is your blood test results in an industry standard known as the Fast Health Interoperability Resource Standard, or FHIR. And what we're going to do then is we're going to publish this as an NFT, or more specifically on Itheum, we have this concept of a data NFT, which lets you control the distribution of your data asset, as well as do cool things like earn royalties on resales, as well as trade it on open marketplaces like OpenSea. So we're going to run through this demo real quick. So yeah, stick with me. So how do you do this? Well, this platform is already deployed to testnet, so you can use this yourself. So jump on our website at ithuem.com, head over to a section down here where you can launch the dApp on the testnets. So let me just jump out to the login page and come back in to show you the entire experience. So here I am at the home screen of the login page. Just make sure you're on the Ropsten testnet, or rather in this example we're going to use Polygon as we are multi-chain. So we're going to use the Polygon Mumbai testnet here. So I'm going to log in with one of my accounts, and cool. So once that's in, you can see it's actually loaded all my Itheum test data, as well as you can see I'm on the Mumbai testnet. I don't have any MIDA in here, but that's okay. We don't really need MIDA to make a sale. So if you do need MIDA, you can always use a false one. Alright, so I'm going to go and sell data. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to come to this page here, and what I'm going to do is drop to the bottom, and I'm going to send any arbitrary data set. And I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to copy this. Let's create a temporary file. And what I'm going to do is go back here, and I'm going to drag this file in here. So you can see it's loaded my blood test results up here. And what I'm going to do now is, instead of selling it as a standard data pack, I'm going to sell it as a data NFT. And you can do some pretty cool things here. So you can put the standard description and title and description of your NFT. Alright, so you put a title and you put some sort of description. I'll make it more specific. Alright, so you can do a bunch of things here. I'm not going to do any of that right now. You can preview your data, and then you essentially pick your terms of use. So I'm going to say I'm only going to allow this for research purposes. And now we're going to mint and sell this as a data NFT on the Itheum platform. So let's see how that happens. So I'm going to click this button, and it's going to take you through the process of minting a data NFT. Notice here that it actually uses, once you sign this transaction here, okay, let's do that now. It's actually generated a unique character that's actually it's derivative art. So it's based on the signature of your data. So every character you see here is absolutely unique, and that's what makes this so amazing, because it actually has utility where you're trying to transfer your data, but it also enables for some sort of gamification in the NFT sense. So what's happening here right now is it's advertising your NFT for sale, so that's great. So that's already done. So it's minted a data NFT, which if you jump into your NFT portal here, you will be able to see it now. So it's actually minted that. It's got all the metadata of NFT. You can see the actual minting status on the Polygon chain, which tells you that's a ERC721 token. And what's super cool here is, as soon as you mint a data NFT, it's immediately available on OpenSea as well. So this is what makes this so revolutionary is because it opens up this whole world of your data being traded as an NFT. So you come up here, you can see the metadata, it's got some properties attached to it, and the linkage of the ID to the original data exists here. And this allows people to trade this data set on NFT marketplaces, but the owner of the actual NFT at any given point can return into the Ithuem Data DEX and then view the raw data. So wonderful use cases this enables. For example, it lets you completely work out the provenance, so where did this data originate from. You can see the trade history, and in a data point of view, this is what's called lineage. You see how your data moves from person to person, but most importantly, a person who buys this data is guaranteed that this data originated from the creator, and therefore it has a lot of great value in use cases. So that's the amazing part of data NFTs and the Itheum platform. We hope you enjoy that. We will be releasing many more videos coming soon. One thing to note is this is already available on our testnet, so give it a go.